10 most exquisite cocktails in the world. From the sweetest cocktails to something sour and intense, who doesn't love an artfully garnished cocktail that tastes as fascinating as it looks? What's impressive about cocktails is that you are only limited to your imagination. With or without an occasion, you deserve a treat with the most exquisite cocktails made by talented bartenders and mixologists worldwide. Number 1. Enhanced Mojito. First on the list of the best cocktails is Enhanced Mojito by David at Liverpool, UK. While this is a tasty cocktail on its own, David sometimes finds it weird tasting, so he added a bit of excitement and attitude to the drink. He replaced the usual muddled mint with stronger mint bitters for an extra kick and bright green color. Number 2. Grander Raspberry Mojito. This Raspberry Mojito by Grander Rum is just as blooming as the cherry blossoms in spring. The gorgeous red and pink hue comes from the combination of berries and tonic water. The result is a sweet and smooth cocktail perfect for parties, garnished with mint and raspberries. Number 3. Bitters and Brew Blue Milk. Another extremely satisfying cocktail is Blue Milk for all Star Wars fans. The film's infamous blue milk-inspired bitters and brew to create this drink. Imagine sipping this sweet and creamy beverage while watching your favorite movie. Number 4. Red Velvet Dream. Elegant yet bold and fierce. That's how you describe the Red Velvet Dream mocktail. Its taste is fruity and floral, inspired by passion and varying emotions, making you fall in love. Thanks to mixologist Farhad, this one is truly exquisite. Number 5. Ye Merry Gentlemen. One of the creative and awe-inspiring cocktails is this Ye Merry Gentlemen by Amy Trainor, who wouldn't be astonished by its color. Amy Trainor turned a relatively simple cranberry gin cocktail into a work of art using a pine tree glass and the perfect sky color. She also added ginger syrup and solstice bitters to complete the mix. Number 6. Flying Raspberries. Another raspberry drink to try with a jaw-dropping hue and presentation. Flying Raspberries is something you wouldn't want to drink to avoid ruining it, but this cocktail by Gin Rob is so refreshing to drink, and if you're a fan of raspberries, you will definitely love this. Number 7. Cuba Libre. Calling all cigar and rum lovers, here's the perfect drink for you with a twist. We bring you two of the most precious indulgents in this cigar-infused version of Cuba Libre by Cocktail Vision. Experience how your cocktail changes while you're taking sips as the frozen cola slowly mixes in your drink. Pretty cool. Number 8. Full Moon Espresso Martini. All coffee lovers out there, try this Full Moon Espresso Martini by Robin Navarro. Simple to make with a shot of espresso and Smirnoff vodka. And don't forget Bailey's Irish cream and a hint of vanilla. Number 9. Cocoa Berry Refresher. Another exquisite cocktail you should try is the fruity and flowery Cocoa Berry Refresher by Tip It Back. Quench your thirst any day with its refreshing taste and sweet color. Number 10. Rose in the Clover. Just look how gorgeous this cocktail is. The Rose in the Clover by cocktail blogger Marissa is so satisfying as if you don't want to drink it. But it looks absolutely delicious, and the aroma is even more divine. Are you ready to try these most exquisite cocktails? Check out the description box for the link to the complete recipes. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up or share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more delicious drinks. See you at the next one.